Yo.
Keep my wife's name
Rough
out your
the track,
fucking
boy.
mouth!
is how the beginning of the video is starting. Yes, y'all see it. Y'all don't see it, but y'all see it. And you know what? And this is exactly how I'm gonna start the video, with this scene right here. You know by now, I'm not in New York. I'm in CA, Cali, you know. In Cali right now with a new bike. It's been years, man. It's been years, definitely some years. I'm gonna say 3 years. I haven't dropped, you know, a motorcycle video, but today is the day. So we driving up to this beach real quick so I can show her off. Man, it's kind of a chilly day. Definitely a chilly day. Feel like it's about to rain. Cars over there. You know what? This is her. The 2022 BMW SRR. We got custom levers, aftermarket levers, let's say that. We got the performance chain. Don't quote me on that. We got the aftermarket tail lights, SE Project full exhaust system with a BT tune stage 2 or stage 1. I definitely miss making content for y'all, like bike videos at that. Is this the turn? Oh, it's not. I don't know. Who left that right there? It's crazy. I'm not stopping in traffic. I say that. See, I told y'all I'm still getting used to this bike. I'm fucking revving in neutral, thinking I'm in fucking first gear. Yeah, I really lane split if I'm, like, to be honest, in a rush, or I don't know, if it's like heavy traffic. Shit like this, I kind of just, you know, chill out and cruise. You know, really don't be no purpose of, you know, lane spin unless I really have to. I'm just chilling, man. Just chilling. Yeah, rain is kind of, feel like I'm riding my 500 again. That's our dynamic. In dynamic mode right now. A little better, a lot better actually. Sorry, race. I don't know, I think dynamic is more, has more bite to it. Back to road. I do say, being in Cali, there's a lot of more like different food, like cultures here. A lot of Mexican food. A lot of Mexican food. You can't beat McDonald's. That bitch everywhere. That shit everywhere. Damn, I gotta get fuel. I'll get fuel at the next stop. A lot of street food as well. I'll go to one. There's other ones that I'll be iffy about, but the one I go to, man, big ass burritos. Big ass burritos. 2 for $20. Perfect. Oh, we gotta go to the gas station. I know y'all hear that. Look. Yeah. Hell yeah. Oh, there's a gas station right there. Talking about food, I'm hungry right now. Damn. Oh, yeah. Nice bike. Definitely a nice bike. Look at the Grom. The Grom gang. The Grom gang. Yes, but I'm you know, I'm happy to start dropping more videos for y'all. Like, I still get comments on that first one, and it's like, when I read it, I read comments, and that should just be funny. Like, all my videos, don't be afraid to drop, man. Drop them comments. Tell me how bad I did. Tell me how good I did. You know, some advice. I'm out for it. Flame my big head ass. Let me know what's up, man. And, you know, stay safe. Almost. Almost caught me slipping. I want to say, when you do come to Cali, man, watch out from the Prius drivers, man. They'll take your ass out. They'll definitely take your ass out. And they stay on that left lane too. They hugging that bitch tight. You want them to, you know, go to the right? Hell no. They ain't moving for your ass. So watch out for them Prius drivers. They go 20 on a 65 and not give two fucks. They won't give two fucks about you, partner. That say roll up on me. I thought I had a Oh, that's the food truck right there too. That shit is fire. That's that 220 right there.
Bye, have a great time.